Good day, everybody. I want to showcase this pepper that I grew this year. It's called a Shishito, and I was just very impressed with it. I mean, it's so prolific. Today is July the 5th, so I've been harvesting peppers over here since May, and it's just been a wonderful pepper. And I just thought, well, maybe I ought to showcase this pepper. And I didn't really realize how popular of a pepper it was until I grew it, and I've been seeing this pepper around a while. And I got two plants, and I tell you what, these two plants give me more peppers than I can handle. Uh, but I love sauteing them whole. The green ones are a little bit better as far as the seeds. They're a little bit softer when they're green. When they get red, the seeds are a little bit more, I guess, woodsy or prevalent, but they're still edible. And I still sometimes eat them whole, the red ones whole with the seeds. But you can easily just, cut it and do a little door and just rinse the seeds out and then cook it if you don't like the seeds. But I like the flavor profile when they get red because they have a real peppery flavor. They almost give you the impression they're gonna be hot afterwards, but the heat never comes. And that's really what I love about these peppers. You get the feel of the heat without the heat. But they're just a wonderful pepper. Very prolific. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna harvest some, and then I'm gonna just show you how I cook them. I do have an idea of sauteing them with some Kaneka sausage that I've been meaning to try, and I think I'm gonna do that, and I think that'll be fun. But really, this is a wonderful pepper, so we're gonna go ahead and pick and harvest these. Kind of like most peppers, they kind of really attach to the plant real well. So if you don't have any little garden shears with you, which I usually have mine, but I don't, just harvest them just like do any other pepper. Where that stem curls over, just pull back the opposite way, and it should release real easy. If you try to pull it the other way, it won't come loose, and sometimes you'll damage the plant. Yeah, so just take your time. All right, so we got some beautiful peppers in here, and we're gonna take them inside and saute them. There's a lot of recipes online for cooking these, and I've been trying all the different methods. All right, so we're gonna go inside and we're gonna cook these right quick and do a quick harvest and cook. Okay, so if you want to take the seeds out, I just cut a little door in there and cut a little slit and just take out the seeds. All right, we're gonna leave the seeds in two of these. I love the way when they cook, they kind of get fat and explode. I like to see that, so we're gonna leave two of them with the seeds in it. I love having these in the morning with my sausage, and I'll just saute the peppers. Have some peppers and sausage. And I let the oil from the peppers come out in the pan, and that way they kind of the flavor of the sausage kind of infused with the peppers, and then the flavor from the peppers are infused with the sausage, so they just combine and make a real good dish, simple dish. I love to see them swell up and pop. That's why I like to kind of leave them whole, just to see that they gonna pop. They pop right there. Sometimes they'll make a little pop noise. All right, so we're gonna plate these up. pepper, man, is a wonderful pepper. You gotta grow this pepper, um, and it just gives off a wonderful flavor. It has a real peppery feel without the heat. It's good. You know, it goes good with fish, chicken, beef is a side dish. You can grill them on the grill when you're grilling out. They go good in gumbos, soups. I've cut them up and sauteed them with my okra and with my squash and zucchini. I mean, it's just all good all around pepper. So you must have, you know, it's a must try. But anyway, I really appreciate y'all for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to AG Outside. Thanks and have a great day.